You guys top best story tweets. First tweet's called Flashback, Ultimate Setup Manager. So back up your style. It's utility designed to back up and restore setups, including tweets, icon layouts, wallpapers. Simple and reliable. This week is called Quick Actions. Access your favorite apps quickly. As you see on the side, your apps right here. Start by using your phone quicker by launching your favorite apps directly from the lock screen. Alright, next week is called Pro Keys. And tactical RGB keyboard for your iPhone. As you can see right there, the keyboard looks pretty cool. It's pretty much like a mobile terminal for your iPhone. Alright, next to is called Autodesk Color Picker. And it's a color picker component used by Tweets. So if you had this installed, you probably need it. That other package uses for changing colors. And Ultimate Lyrics Suite for iOS. So this helps you pretty much find and view the lyrics to your favorite songs. Maturia, and it's a proper layout editor for iOS 14. Beautiful live home screen editing. Fits your editing with your widgets, your device, your style. So bring a dynamic home screen layout configuration system for iOS users. And Xina trial. It's that's a beautiful neon look lock screen and unlock button to your lock screen, place and other elements. It has 50 different widgets or elements for your wallpaper. This is called Xina or Xeon, and it's a tweet that makes it easier to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. It's automatic and doesn't require a command line. Chroma Flow, and matches the now plain UI to your music's album artwork and optionally adds an iOS 10 style music player on your lock screen. Evo, redefine your control center. So some looks. Redefine your control center. Call it Better Alarm. Place the stock iOS alarm with easy to hit full screen buttons. You have Smart Snooze and different ways to wake you up in the morning. It's WatchOS style lock screen widgets for iOS 13. A Pro, and it's an all-in-one customization tweak for your AirPods Pros. Velvet, and new way to customize your notifications. Your runtime, iOS 14, library that Neil was building and runs secure, performant, and versatile jewelry tweets using Apple's Swift programming language. Alright, this tweet's called Alt Damien, and allows All-Store to install, refresh, and update apps completely on your device without a Mac or PC. Called Asteroid, and system-wide weather. So you see like the weather's in like your background too, which is pretty cool. She's called Device or Device. It's ARM64 doable and tether downgrade on your device. So it has tether downgrades all within the app. Checkmate is used to tether boot second OS after dual booting, tether downgrading. She's called Goji. It's a theme. So it looks like right here. Dark, and you also have a motive. This is the dark mode of it. That's what it looks like. Alright, and Harpy Reloaded allows you to control your network. You can manage your local network and who has access to it, and pretty much get them off your network as well, or you turn off the Wi-Fi for it. So yeah, so you have access to your network. Snapback, and this allows you to pretty much, it's iOS Time Machine. You pretty much would like make a back up the section you're in, and then you can always like go back to a year before. So like you can always pretty much restore that section you were at. So all the tweets and everything that you had will go back to what you had at that time you did the backup if you restore it to that backup. The theme. Control center tweet that builds the nativity of stock iOS and reconfigures it to feel refreshing yet familiar. So we have our features right here. Functionality.